Good evening. Welcome to Happy Bites. How many people?
We are 5. Do you have a table for 5? Yes, sure, this way please. Thank you.
Here are your menus. Take your time and tell me when you're ready to order.
Mom, can I order pasta?
First check the price, Lily.
It costs $8 per plate.
Yes, you can.
I want a burger and fries.
Let's decide one by one.
Are you ready to order?
Yes. For starters, we want 2 plates of fries.
Regular or large?
Make them large, please.
I would like grilled chicken with vegetables.
I want pasta.
And I want a chicken burger with fries.
Anything to drink?
I would like an orange juice, please.
Of course.
And a cold drink for the rest of us. How long will the order take?
Your order will be ready in 20 minutes. Here you go. Fries, pizza, burger, grilled chicken, and your drinks. Enjoy your meal.
Excuse me, can we get extra tissues, please?
Right away.
This pasta is yummy.
My burger is so good.
May I sprinkle some spices on the pasta?
Yes, but only a little, or it could make your throat sore.
Okay.
How was everything?
Everything was great. Can we have the bill, please?
Of course.
I'll pay by card.
Kids, what do you say?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a nice evening.